welcome to the Crafty Craftaholic. Today we're going to explore the mental health benefits of crafting. In a fast-paced world where stress and anxiety seem to be constant companions, finding solace in activities that both engage the mind and hands has become crucial. One such therapeutic outlet gaining popularity is crafting. Whether it's knitting, painting, or sculpting, engaging in creative endeavors has proven to have profound effects on mental health. In this video, we'll delve into the various benefits that making crafts has on our well-being. Number 1, stress reduction. Crafting serves as a powerful stress buster by diverting our attention away from daily worries. The rhythmic, repetitive motions involved in many crafts acts as a form of meditation, helping to calm the mind and reduce stress levels. This meditative quality not only aids in stress reduction, but also promotes a sense of mindfulness. Number 2, boosting mood and happiness. Engaging in creative activities releases endorphins, the brain's natural feel-good chemicals. These endorphins act as mood enhancers, promoting a sense of happiness and fulfillment. The act of creating something with your own hands and witnessing the tangible results can be incredibly rewarding, contributing to an overall positive mental state. Number 3, improved concentration and focus. Crafting requires concentration and focus, pulling our attention away from intrusive thoughts. This intense focus on the task at hand can lead to a state of flow, where time seems to fly by and worries are temporarily set aside. This heightened concentration can improve cognitive function and enhance problem-solving skills. Number 4, building self-esteem and confidence. Completing a craft project, whether it's a simple DIY home decor item or a more intricate piece of art, provides a sense of accomplishment. This achievement can boost self-esteem and confidence, reminding individuals of their abilities and creativity. Overcoming challenges in the crafting process fosters a positive self-perception. Number 5, social connection. Crafting often serves as a communal activity, providing opportunities for social interaction. Joining crafting groups or participating in workshops allows individuals to connect with like-minded individuals, fostering a sense of community. Socializing through crafting can reduce feelings of isolation and loneliness, contributing to improved mental well-being. Number 6, coping with trauma and grief. Crafting can be a therapeutic outlet for individuals dealing with trauma or grief. The creative process allows them to express and process emotions in a nonverbal way. Engaging in crafts provides a safe space for self-reflection and healing, aiding in the coping process. The act of making crafts goes beyond creating visually appealing items. It's a holistic approach to improving mental health. As we navigate the challenges of daily life, incorporating crafting into our routine can be a valuable tool for relaxation, self-discovery, and emotional well-being. So pick up those knitting needles, paintbrushes, or sculpting tools and embark on a journey of creative healing for your mind and soul. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you next time.